now, this company is not part of the government 131 factor. We are appealing to the government. He needs to come to our aid. Currently, we have done our part. We need his support. You can see we don't have a wall around this. Every day the women keep on killing these snakes. We have no place to put our rice. This is a packaging material, a packaging area where we should have been using it for our packaging area. But because we don't have a warehouse at this moment, we have no option than to share the warehouse, to share it with the packaging area. That is not the ideal thing to do. But just because we don't have the strength for now. And we are saying that the government 131 factory is meant for businesses that are already existing, that need expansion like us. And we need the government support to be able to do these things for us. At this moment, I think we'll have no option than to a lot of redundancy will affect the company, and then our effort will be in that the company will shut down. All the women that we have engaged will lose their jobs.